Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is a backpack sprayer that is perfect for if you are applying any bug killer or you're wanting to tackle those weeds in your yard, or maybe you just simply want an easier way to water your potted plants. So this was sent over by a company called MZK, and it is battery powered. So as you can see, it is right here next to me. You can get a ton of attachments and parts. So first off, you are going to get a user manual. We're going to go over a lot of the features right here in the video. It's pretty self-explanatory. But this is nice little to dig through if you have any questions. Now, as I mentioned, it is battery powered, so they are going to include a lithium ion 20-volt battery with a little charger. You're just going to plug it in at the top. It does have a little power button on the front that will have 4 lights, giving you an idea how much energy it has. And then there's a little door on the front of the device. You're just going to slide the battery in right there, and that is how you're going to basically hook it up, and you're good to go as far as the battery power. Now, the battery itself is going to last about 2 to 2.5 hours. That's kind of going to just depend on which setting you have, because it does have a couple of settings as far as the usage. But now this whole tank itself, as you can see right here next to me, this is a 4.2 gallon tank. So it's got a lot of capacity. So that's why I said, if you're using this to water your plants, you can do that. Or if you're using it for weeds, you don't have to go back and refill, and you don't have to pump like those other ones where you kind of have to get that pressure built up. This will do that already for you. It also has a nice, easy to open top with a very big, wide opening. In here, it also has a filter. So if you are pouring anything in there, it will catch any debris. So you don't have to worry about anything getting in here and clogging up the nozzle, which is nice. Now speaking of nozzle, it has a bunch of extra accessories. And this is why I say you can use it for multiple things. So for example, watering the plants. You're gonna have this orange one here. It's got lots of little holes. This is perfect because it's like a little garden sprayer. You can use this from various pots. If you are doing a larger bed area or you need a misting, you've got this one with 3 little nozzle holes that you can utilize. Then you are going to have a kind of more horizontal sprayer one, and then you have one with 4 more holes. So once again, you're gonna have plenty of different attachments. And then naturally on the device right now that I have, you're gonna have your more traditional one, which you would use, for example, for kind of doing a bug spray and go ahead and hitting the weeds. Now, as far as the arm itself, it does do telescoping. So you can adjust this hose, or this wand, I should say, up to 40 inches. You just need to rotate the one piece and then pull it, and it will go ahead and get to the length. So you don't have to bend over or anything like that. It's very easy. So depending on how tall you are, you're going to be able to adjust this for your height, which is nice. It has an easy to use trigger button on the bottom part, and then it also has a little pressure valve area that makes it a little bit easier to utilize. It's very comfortable to hold, has little notches for your fingers when utilizing this and spraying with it. The power button is on the side of the device. Now, because of its size, it is also a backpack setup. So it has a nice metal frame to it, and then it has some very comfortable straps on the back with also a mesh opening. So that way you can get air to flow in there. So you're not gonna have like this really, really sweaty back. And then they have a spot for at the top for when you're not utilizing it that you can attach the wand, so that way it just sticks and stays in place. Now the hose itself is also another additional approximately about 2 feet long as far as the distance on the hose. But overall, it's a great little bug sprayer. I love the fact, like I said, that it has all the different attachments so you can utilize it for multiple uses, but it's also super easy to use. The backpack element makes it super easy to carry around. Very easy to fill up, and for all those reasons, I do highly recommend checking this one out. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.